Like ngolo introduce isikhathi esiningi. Guys, beautiful people, asikhulume podcast live la kaMlenga eqetshwayo Kawash. Aish dog, finally.
It's been a long time coming.
Nginasetrill ngosana nyoni.
Hayi wena, setrill umthatha ku.
Dog why yathi ngihlale nje Secliff. Ish dog hey sibato suwe la. We have Secliff ngosana nyoni with Vosmuzi.
Sweetness.
Official
is sweetness. No, and not AKA.
Oh, it's not
official.
So we are in Home Affairs.
Yes.
Oh, you're lying. Ngicela bona ID.
The temporal.
Dog.
Serious?
You're lying.
Official.
No, you're lying.
Wait, like you changed the name?
The gender, even the ID number.
Angeke.
Officially.
But sinibona.
I know.
That number, what from account? ID number, what's the matter? Nice seven ID number.
Oh, it's 7. Hey, guys.
Oh, sengasebenzi ne?
Ucala nini?
Ngicela sithe October process. That number banginikele ngoJanuary. So I'm still waiting for smart TV, smart ID sengathi temporal ngoba yaphuma. It's a process.
When?
Things are happening in South Africa, bro.
2025.
Thank you, my brother. We're moving with time.
2025 in South Africa, Home Affairs is making amazing things, dog. Ngiyacala kuva phela ukuthi trauma.
I'm not the first one. Ukhala libabathon lo yendile a few years back. Now like it's iPumalanga sibaningi. Okay, plus minus 15 or 20.
So if what is required for you to change each end?
Gender mark.
What's that?
But you go pay attention to gender. We call it gender mark.
Okay.
But require my few documents. Mati number ebatali nemagama abo. Ngisho kum population not ramdana mamfaka pass kwakho. So they must change because first born now it's a female.
Yeah.
Ngiloko kuphela. Then you fill up forms, you put your old documents, then you create the new name, they create a new ID for you, but the ID the new one. Then you go and apply for an ID, so it's IT, but it's a process.
So what's going to happen to the old ID?
I say bend.
You are dead, Nali.
Yeah, angaze ngabakhona.
Oh God, never existed.
Ngaze nga exist.
So the ID number intshintshile.
Yeah, it changed.
Ngamkhathini.
Because khumbula ukuthi ID ngani
the mkhathini ngiyola male or female. Kutshintshe wona.
Guys.
We're moving with time.
Which one is this one?
We're moving with time. This one is 8.
Hey guys, let's say sweetness namhlala official ukuthi kuningi into lokufuna angincede. Yeah, official because ngani besikhuluma over the phone. So now nyalo sebayati ukuthi besitoshuta a podcast ngawo, yabo? So now you helping. Yabona this thing of gender mina bengayadi vele, you understand? Ngiyaqala give I'm really sure.
Ngicabanga ukuthi impossible.
It is.
I know Mr. Ramaphosa, I know, shout out. Sweetness ligama la sweetness lichamuka kucala.
Kame esikolweni.
Go, emasamsani?
No. Yes, Tindile.
What was happening? You were sweet, man.
I'm sweet.
Nganika
ngithisha wami wemaths.
Ngithisha banje sithi shout out.
Ngimkhohliwe.
Come on.
Ukudzala malapha ngafika.
Wait. My brother when we tala
no bengifuna kiva ukuqala before siya.
Okay, before siqale.
Yeah, bengifuna kiva ukuthi igama la sweetness lichamuka because nali sel ID ngani ya. Yeah, ukuthi why sweetness, you understand? Yeah, now we would think this thing siyise move ukutalwa kwakhe. Yabo
bekungekho nangitala. That's the problem. Ngikhumbula kukhula nyana kangala italweni.
Yeah, phela sengikhulumela lokho mina ngani ngikwati vele. Yakwati but asikakhulanga ngendlela lefanayo and asilingani. But when the song le kaGogos bana basiphethe the song le.
Katimbita.
Yeah, the song le so mina ngikwati ngale side nyalo so ngelinye side yabo. So take us back. Who is sweetness?
Ngale precise wena. Alikaze labakhwali side lelo.
Okay, so ngikhulumela kusibe song engane besikhulu sibancane boumdzala kunathi.
Yabo ngese sibudzala
bokhulile kunathi ke.
Mara ngabe uthi baby lemagama ekukhwali kudzala. Sokhuma ngathi sengiyofola lapha kasasa.
Awufuna ka Home Affairs kuphela kwenye.
Ngitho Home Affairs for nyalo.
Yeah, take us back ukukhula kwakho.
Ukukhula kwami nje primary ngikhumbula take it.
Oh, come on.
I'm primary. For real?
Angeke.
Okay.
Mina ngikhule ngimntwana lo hlala endlini. So
most times ne.
Nanyalo angihlala endlini unless khona ungikhipha endlini angithanzi ku phuma.
Yeah.
Umntwana lo njalo. I remember most of the time in secondary ngiyele enjoyile.
So as mntwana because my brother Nama was like her, yabona. Nami ngikhule ngimntwana lo uhlala endlini ngaphandle.
I had no friends.
But there's always that thing ukuthi there's going to be few 2-3 nyana friends. Yabona who gonna come and knock.
I had friends ebafananyana so friends bangala ekhaya.
Yeah.
I won't mention names.
Yeah.
We were friends. Naluyong ngala 19.
Yeah. Ben skimless tight.
Yeah,
But bona bebafana straight.
bakathi ngimfana nabo.
Oh, okay.
Babone ibra.
Yeah, but I know this is one of
Chita wethu lo.
Chita
Bathi
with
mina ngibuke emunye ngithi lo.
Ay.
Mina singakhalkhaya.
And bona bekola. They don't know.
You can't be serious. How old were you at the time?
Doing great man. 6, 5.
Are you lying? Bona bosobuka ifuture.
Yes.
I will fast forward.
Ngithi lo. Singakhalkhaya.
Hey, you fast forward.
Yeah, but
bomkhuluma umbamba
Besibangani.
Phela we can be friends njengami naye sibangani ngathi bara ngeke sibambane kusina kusengamahack out of the blue.
no, but I think at that age, it's possible.
It's possible kuyahagwana
kanjani.
kancane.
My brother, sexually asengavuthwa
Lengqondo
ukuthi
ayicabanga.
asengakucabanga ukuthi njani. Sisabona.
Nami ngacabanga sexual ngicabanga imshado.
Mana bekavuthiwe yena muvuthi emshadweni.
Ngicabanga imshado
But
ayisexual.
sexually akusengicabanga imshado.
Ngakhalkhaya. Angakhi bantwana.
Yabona madlala amadlotwana, madlala amakhaya.
Kunamake.
Yeah, so usacabanga along those lines.
Ngizaye emakhaya bengibhora njani bengingafuni kuba ngibabe bengikhala. Sithi make umntwana vele bengitisa ngisazali. Bangathi ngibabe ngithi angisa
My
ngikhipheni.
brother, but he showed it too much.
Ngipeni. Ngimake ngumntwana ngimake ngibe umntwana ngangendibabe ngangendibhuti.
Benibadlala mara bakhaya nawo lamajini.
Kakhulu ya labanga la ekhaya sihlala ekhaya.
Ungashelela ukhuluma
Ngiyasolo osema 19 lesingabadlala ngabe kahlala ekutheni. Ngala ekhaya sihlala
Oh,
dlala.
no, uthanza yena lo
Wait. So, mandla amakhaya. Uba ngimake.
Umntwana.
Umntwana intombatana. Whatsoever umntwana umntwana.
Yeah, but mntwana. Ma ungimake.
Funa ngibe nababo wakami.
Uyaba khona.
Obvious, ngime nabake. Antu ngamake nemntwana baba.
Yeah, awusi single parent.
Marriage ekhaya lifithumele. Khale lishisako ngiyapheka ngikupukupunyana macembe.
Manje phela ukhumbula bazidala amadlotwana. Angisho bese sisiganga.
Besingakwenzeli lokho isikhasethu.
No, awukhiphi lu.
Wena lo. Sile besingakwenzi. Lokwenza lo
Phelele la ingculu.
Yeah, phela
Yeah, yabona into nje
yeah, kodwa ukhiphawo.
Wena ben
Oh, ben
sesikhuluma isikhathi live salungile.
ne.
Thintsha nkazi. Tjani nema 2000.
I know in 90s thina. 90 something 93, 94, 95.
Ngisela khona.
Yeah, but we're not in 2000.
Okay.
Edwa thina besidlala emakhaya ningibabe uba ngibabe mawukhiphe imbijana. Mina ngitshontsha inyama ekhaya.
Mara she maviyane.
Fuba sosidliwa ngithele bantwana.
Sodlalaba. Ya sodlala bakhabonko ekankonyane lapha yabo kabo not. Esidlala khona amadlatane ethu. Amnanzi vele. Ekhaya sodlala ebusuku. Mase icala yabona into le. So mina ngemanga lamathi yena anikaze nifika la igculwini ukudlalisana lokuthi njanja phela kuba nothi yabo. Ya people laba lo labakhulile ngani ngengcono.
Yeah.
Kuthi laba yabo laba ngathi kuphuma sesiphuma direction. Yabo sesiphuma esiporweni nalento nana. Kuthi anikaze nifika.
Manje in most cases nandlala or ndlala anything wena labadala kini.
Yes.
Always.
Noma
always.
ngeminyaka noma ngempela.
Bangithumela into bangicall bathi hey nongimake phana baba linda.
Ngiyakhumbula
So
mina.
udlalile le part yokubanga manje.
Kakhulu several times ayikanye.
What was happening?
Every day nangidlala.
Motiva utifila that time was hey just people they see.
Ngiva ngisimpilo yami.
Yeah, did they see what I'm planning? What I'm
Impilo
up
yami.
to?
But there's a, I wouldn't say it's a trait, ne?
Yeah.
But there's always this thing you would say it stems from an influence point of view. Yabona. Ukuthi mhlambe mntwana ukhuliswe ngimake kuphela. Yabona. Maybe a single mother and then uto actor like magwakhe. Or ukhule na mama na papa but the father being the dominant dominion lapha endlini. Uthatha kakhulu iside labantu. Lapha. And then khona into ukuthi sikhulise ngogo. Yabona? Obvious mawukhulise ngogo yathi gogo kwakho ku strict but kuwe ubanjani?
Kuba uyathamba kancane. Uyathamba kancane. Because ngani umntwana. Akufunakali aqinise kakhulu letinto yabo.
So I want to know
Sweetness.
ukuthi
Ukhule kanjani?
how was the family dynamic?
Mina ngikhulisa ngimake nababa.
Both parents.
Nagogo at the same time.
Nagogo.
Nakhokho.
Siblings?
Yeah, when you were blessed.
Siblings, 3 siblings. Boys, girls?
boy girl before kuba nalabanye ngibala laba lengibadibule ngikhule nabo. One boy, one girl. So it's two girls.
So now it's two girls.
It always has been two girls.
Yeah. It was
Always
been.
I was never a boy,
Yeah.
I was never born. Mina ngikaze ngadlala ibhola, angikwazi igibela ibhayisikili. Ngakwentela tika ngahubisa mhlobo. Angikwazi kodwa sibhakela ibhola ngangikwazi ukuyikhafela ngingafane nenyawo. Angikaze ngadlala umdlalo wabafana. Angikaze.
At all.
All.
Because I remember there was this guy we grew up with. Shout out to him, Pepar. We grew up with Pepar.
Qobo.
Yeah.
I know paper samfuna la.
Besitokudlala naye ibhola and you could tell with
La is not worth it.
Angikwazi ukuhamba sibhamba. Bathi mina bengidlanga bophopi. Ngithunga impahla ngelesicociso.
like did you so the older
leselibhuku ukuthi ufuna uyapaste wakhe embhede uthwele impopalaye la mpedeni lokho elikhulu place emakhabeni
kodwa se ice cream
Yo.
wakhe umuntu my brother
Yeah.
my brother sakuqoqisona so my brother
Udlalile mara mungendo.
ngibuyisele emuva
Mungendo udlalile.
ikotela
Angithi nje manje
inzambo ingathu angushi kuphela ngakwenzi
libhuku la ka home choice my brother ulithola livitsiki
Comfort, yeah.
Comfort.
sijubile sosifakile makena babalele abantwana senekhishi kunekudla
Mara behamba le hour phela ma hour ni ma hour ngabo.
My brother, if you notice,
Wabona bosesu ukuthi.
this what that's why abantu bagcine baba good storytellers
Yeah.
because of that thing.
Yeah.
Yabona. Then phela you have to be creative to create that
Yeah,
thing.
you
Yabona.
must,
And
yeah.
I'm also creative. We are gonna create a story.
Lesi lingasi siliqiniso.
Mina yakubona bosesu bebayena le ngihlale ngilalele
One is creativity.
Yebo.
Manele abantu ufuna baqoqe badlali.
Yeah. So bathatha isikhathi esinganani ekhaya ukuyibona le nkinga le.
Angazi.
This one. This one is another one.
Ngathi I'm not sure. Angibadi.
Bonga mine last time kazi ngene episode na makhosonke. Mine bengikhulena nabo makhosonke nabo sesabo makhosonke yabo. Vele bebacasa nami ngigave that time yabo.
Yeah.
Like mina ngihlala nabona batana yatinzaba. Lesikhathi ngibhala ma homework nani yabo lento le and too clean. Kanti mina batane boseso makhosonke kuna nothando. No yeah boma bakamadlobe nanani. Beba i3 if I'm not mistaken. Makhosonke vele besimbona vele from kutsala yabo behlala so bekungimi namakhosonke besibafana. But makhosonke vele okay sorry bikafola vele to that yabona into le makusuka vele nambe bacasa njalo because besuka esikoleni ngifunza icatulane sifike sihlala lapha eDutch yabo eDutch wathi eDutch yeah behlala eDutch same bhuti wami bekadate ngani la industry kwase Dutch yabo ngoba nomntwana khona so labo manje babasibuka lapha every day mahleli vele sibanithi vele sikhipha ilona lapha basi intro sibeka phasi khipha ukudla lokusele osesikoleni yabo lento le basivele lo igame vele vele basi ngihlane nomntwana every time vele bebangangithembi ukuthi this one so nginalo ngibutana ukuthi bebangakubona wena makhulu wakho ukuthi this one is a sweetness one bebangitshele bebangafuna ukuphula moya.
Did you see the difference?
Bayakuphuke moya.
Bengaphumi moya.
Did you see the difference though? Wena nalabafana bodlala nabo. Bobona mehluko nekudala.
Ngibona future secondary. Ma crush. Oh god.
But in primary
primary I was a child bengibona bona mara
Ufunza konje?
Chatulana from there ngayimasambisana actually the grade 6
Yeah.
from masambisana to stintile grade 8 9 10 11 12 Impela mitale stintile
Yeah.
That's
Awukinja kwakho.
where things happen.
Yeah.
bangifikisa ngisafika grade 8 nalaba kwendawo
Okay.
ku 3 months 4
No,
months
ngahlahle masiqala kahle na primary.
Sweetness grade 7. Sweetness ka grade 7. Bekumbani sweetness ka grade 7.
the queen of the school
The queen of the school.
the clean one but
Yeah.
bomemba simfana bazakumise assembly
Nema.
umfana mfana uba clean njengalo
My brother, do you know that pressure, my brother?
phela lapho uphethwe ulimbandla semahlale ekhaya ukuthi ngifuna kuclean
Yeah.
is control
Bazoyakhla.
and by that time phela lokhu bekunhlamba
Yeah, it was a vulgar thing.
umntana ngcono clean njani bamntwana emfana uba so ive ngathi ngamemela
Edine.
ngathi ngiyathanda assembly ngithi
Bathini bona?
mara gondwe ungendani nakho ngathi ngihlamba kwesikole esingaka
Yeah, principal, shout out to Mr.
Ngithi
Kon.
bengiba ne challenge bekuba fike baka always
Oh,
yabo
yeah.
cela bafana baphume
Yeah.
Sekufuna uphume la.
I stood my ground mina ngiyathi lwele bengaphumi
Yeah. Bona baphuma kwa manje batani?
Yeah, ngikhuluma nabantwana.
With the tissue.
Forming,
Yeah, forming.
Ngishiye i-handkerchief.
baphuma ukuthi
Bafana bafundisa nge-menstruation lamantombazane. I was there that mantombazaneni
I'm learning
bengaphumi.
as well.
So bebanga ukuthi manje which one wena?
Bengafuni, bengala.
Yeah.
Ngizange ngikhiphe ngenkanda.
And there wasn't a what you call this. Bekude bafana bathi lona ini.
The only teacher lo bekangilwela angibone teacher basingimema umthombothi.
Okay.
So aku Mr. Ndidi.
Yeah.
Bekangumba sonyana ngathi wakuphi.
Yeah.
That one she's the one who saw from the start what's happening. Ngeke bekathi ayimeke le njani mara kodwa vele aniboni. Athi aniboni eminye raniboni konke kanda.
Yeah.
So she was the one beka bachazela athi hayi man njani konke bonini.
Were the girls comfortable? Because obviously.
Banga are friends.
Exactly.
Siyaxoxa sikhuluma ngebafana.
Yeah.
And I had a crush Nkosi yami.
Grade 8.
Like 11 and 12.
Oh.
This other boy from Swaziland bathi Lucky wakangosi.
Lucky Nkosi
Swati.
Mntwana Mswati.
Oh.
Wakangwane.
Akuhlayisa like.
Ukhona nyani ngibonile sona ngifakile Nkosi yami.
You wanna be the second best.
Ngeke umuke singwe emlonyeni ngihlephela.
Mayusubuka singwe emlonyeni usho ukuthi benisaqalile nini.
Bese ngeke mina bekayicrush yami.
Oh, okay. I thought
Asingaka smile so ngibone ngathi kuwa imali. Naphuma ngakaphendula ianswer ngathi kukhuma uNkulunkulu.
Hayi man. Bathini bona? Lucky. Mr. Ngosi. Hayi man. No man.
Mina ke 11A na ke 12A.
Yeah. Ukilo white prefect or something.
Angazi.
Even primary.
But I achieved many certificates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like which one?
Yes, lena go English, go Afrikaans,
Yeah.
top 10 to one, top 10 to one. Top 10 to one, top 10 to one, top 10 to one. Benginemahloni inkinga yami mina ngikhuluma ngemahloni.
Now unyalo mahloni aside.
Anya la now. Ngathi tshela ngathi ndake
Lo muntu uvakala ngalena singalana. Uthi
and
uthi helele.
ngikhule nginemahloni njani?
Stop.
Mama.
Ngikhule nginemahloni phakathi. Benginemahloni.
Sweetness neligama elifanayo.
Yamathi bakwakhe. Akamathi bakwakhe.
Nomtshela.
Okay.
Nomtshela.
So
after like matric ngifuna understand masoko matric farewells and stuff. Phela ngiyasengilapha nivumbuke khona lena.
I didn't even check ithombe.
Why? Hey Mr. Ngosi hayi man. Mr. Ngosi umlimadini.
Awugqoki into lefuna nguwe ekhaya bakuthengele.
Yeah.
They bought me
Yeah.
Sweetness.
isudu. Do you know isudu?
And it is what you don't want.
Leli saka legogoja lelihembe lakho. Ngisho ngashona ngasho
Lele malobolo.
ngithombe saka matric mina se-farewell anginaso. Matric dance I don't have.
And ngalobuzuzu you so stylish.
Ngimakhe ngibhoboza la brown.
Hayi.
Bangithengele jet inkogo nge-account.
Kanti isengabonakala lelo yakho.
Abangena umfana wena umfana. Just like this. Never fita so bengemuva bengivela so. Athombe nithi.
This is grade 12.
Ngathi ngibangagoqa ngaphisana ngaka ngoba angazenzani isibane nami ngangikwazi. Ke nibhoboze ngaleso futhi yabo angathi today angikwazi ukuphelela ku. Yo.
Oh pissed off. Beyikuphi before leni leso sikhathi leso?
I forgot.
Ekutsala ne?
2007.
Yeah, kutsala.
Khohliwe.
Vele nje bakuphisa
Ngaba
off.
ne-stray.
Phela ngani futhi bana bazali mababuye phela
Azanga enjoy i-matric dance yami.
ne. Mababuye phela bafuna ukubona ama pictures phela. Guys, they want pictures.
Usebuva.
Bangithi sabiya sentumbeni mina picture ngayinatha.
Yeah. Huh? Oh basoqala ukunatha.
Hayi simetric dog.
Imali ma-pictures ayinatha. Nasibiya asho basalela usindi after party stindile
Yeah.
you organize nabombali bangana labo fezeka satha swala.
Yeah.
Bahlangana lapha sentumbeni.
Ayizasho.
And I had to change.
Oh sengifuna ukuthi ungenela lesuti yakho
Sangena
le.
amabhruku la ama-highways la fika lana nemakinobho so. Nemahembe la wethi koshi.
Wabangena.
Ngativa ukuthi yabonyalo.
This is me.
Intombi seyifikile endaweni.
Ayo
Ngeke ngeke kushuta ngoba sese after party
Yeah.
entumbeni.
Senmandinyana.
Ngiso se plug ni 500 rand tsala bona sa 12.
100 rand kutsala.
12.
It was something else. It was big. I'm on 100 rand uyaswipa dog.
12.
Now I'm on 100 rand uyaswipa. So manje laphana phela ngani masonathile sekuvela buwena bakho cobo.
Mina bambuya bomina kufuntshwala.
Oh
It's always.
original. Bobusaqalile kuvela cobo grade 12. So bogcoka in my like bogcoka underwear kumbogcoka
Yo ma-under.
bakusengela phela.
Bane account ejet.
Yeah.
So vele bakuthengela.
Oh good plan.
Hamba nawo kwasize bani noma andi yabo lawo.
Ya mahle lawo akufanele lawo.
Nale reggae le. Le ato ilakato la.
Yeah.
Usikhathi kule session emaphethe.
Mina ngibukele ngithi.
Yeah.
Kuyigqoka bani evusi.
Ubukele le
Hayi le. Takulingana bakana ngemehlo le takulingana le.
Yeah.
Right.
Ay, ba pissed off.
Are you telling me ukuthi mama na papa bebasolo banga accept?
Bebangaboni kahle. Bebabona but bebangafuni kumnika lento leyo.
Ne.
Ngani that's the reason ngifuna ukuthi akhulume because nebantwana labanye abakhona laba kule lindo yakhe but basaba yabo kuyikhuluma because mama na papa abamesi so ngifuna kwathi ukuthi uyidefeat njani lento leyo kuze in order ukuthi batali bakhe bagcine beaccept that
Are
thing.
they strict?
Nope.
Phela ngani lesinye isikhathi abakuniki le chance vele ukuthi babe street ukuthi wena ukhulume
Ngoba mama washona early nginta matric.
Yeah.
Ngisakaveli.
Sekaveli kahle baleni.
February bekuse early phela ngisafika ka meeting ngisaphala na exam. Yabo. Ngane sengithi pass ngene emarogweni.
Yeah. Mara ucala kwagcoka after party.
Sengicedzile matric.
Because now they don't
Sengibhalile ama exam ami sengiDecember.
like,
Lapho sekajayiva
Yasha.
Yemngane nami ngiyatheka umngane omhlatheko ozuva ligede
Yeah.
uya ngale ngithi mngane keza siyakhetha sendumbeni mngane. Ngani imali ngithi bakhona abafana.
Ay. Bafana the boys.
Khana.
Nemanga.
Ngihlupheke ngemali wena siphafe. Ngifunze makeup. Bengani makeup mara kusiyo ngibe grey nyana so.
So,
Shell khuphuka lishilo lesalaka bengifela khona.
so mamtshela ukuthi bakhona bafana you mean ukuthi sikhona bafana lo benikhulumile ukuthi niyeda kumbe nothola le phambili
Bafana have always been there dumbeni for us.
Nemanga.
That's the only thing we hate, we can't mention names.
Yeah, do you
Yeah.
mustn't yeah.
Before bafana yo tsara sibhlupheka ama after 9 mfana kufika kathi ngilangizele. Nohlangana eposini ebunyameni, yabo eposini
Yeah.
ebunyameni eposini ngo1 ekseni,
Yeah.
ngoJuni.
Yeah. Banza.
Siyakuseni ngempile nini.
So, lo muntu lamkhathini kwethu straight.
Ya unentombi
Yeah.
yakhe stay nyamathi ujwana nanombuso.
Yeah. Sorry nombuso nethi sithi.
Ngafika le anzele. Uyakudlula so uyakhuluma nawe okay. Ngiyabamba. Uyajika nawe uyajika, ngase uyakuya mayemu uyambosa uyakuya mlanzeli uyosibuye ekutheni.
Manje seniyofika posini vele kwamncincinci
Kube ngilokunye.
neganga style yaphuma.
Konke.
Nemanga. Unemanga.
Sakhula guys.
Ngokushaya.
Nofana ngaba lento leyo yongilahla.
Ah, ngabona kwa. Hawu, usadate nenyalo.
Ha?
Usadate nenyalo.
Fana wa.
I don't. That one needs to be strong.
Ngikhohle ngilwa ngibreak ni bangibreak. Bangibreakele ekhaya la itringa.
Nemanga.
Ayi.
When was that? After matric.
2007 ngikhethe kubhala
Yeah.
just December.
Yeah.
Hayi my brother.
Ngala.
This one is a dope.
This one is a
Yeah.
my brother. This one.
Mbreako,
Yeah.
mfuna mbreako ngiyakuna nyalo siyabonana. Hayi ngithi.
Manje okay, that guy is straight yena.
Yes he is. Wabona break ngimi ngithi ngiyathi.
Uzasho njalo.
Banginceda wena.
So man ngicela kubuza. Before nikhuluma nifike lapho nana nihlangana njani? Nara guy lo break up.
Ngicabanga nama Facebook.
Akuna phone phela ekhayeni besihlala lapha.
Ngine-mixed.
Bekune phone ekhaya lapha besihlala so phone iTitanic besibitha ngeTitanic.
Yeah.
Public phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back then.
Siyakhuluma endumbeni. Ngilandzela. Siyalandzela sokhuluma nyameni manje in. Manje uhamba sikhathini hayi ngihamba ngabo 10 athi amangihlala kuhayi ngikukhane uhamba ngitshenge ukhaphi ngithi okay. Sakhaphana kwa sakhaphana.
So khipha nge site lakhe.
Sakhaphana.
Nafika endlini.
Hayi endlini ngaphandle.
Ngisho phela endlini phela ngaphandle ekhayeni.
Wathi manje ngisishibalele nyalo. Wena ucabanga konke kanjani wathi manje ngasayi wena.
Sweetness. This is your first time.
Yes.
First time.
Your first time.
First.
Number
Bathi kubreak
one.
up virgin.
Virgin. One balele endlini. One push emva kwendlu.
Manje lokho man ngicela kubuza. Phela lapho I'm sure ngandlula eclinic nanithatha imtindo letinye letiloko.
Bengikotela kuze kwente kanjani.
That's my question, my brother. That's my question.
First time ever.
That's my question.
Ufuna kumbe wafaka amathi,
No, no.
wafaka ivaseline, I was drunk.
Uthakiwe.
Mara bekshele.
Ngalimala guys.
Walimala. Azange ube nema after effects.
Sen ngasi.
Manje phela ekseni sobuya ama senses akuthi hayi man ayitona ngasikwendeka into lesomo. Nangosana
Azange akhohlwa.
Yeah, number 1.
Bese ngathi morning family, morning smile.
Hayi man.
Hi.
Hayi man. Hayi man. Yeah.
Ngilenze 18 years lento sonya sinyako ngihamba kuphela.
Manje guy naphinza nabonana futhi.
Several times.
Naphinza.
Saphinza. Hayi kanye mahlandla. Not one, several times.
Ha!
Lo
December loyo.
Minyaka lo December loyo. After 2009,
Hayi.
2013 singahlangana siyathola 2016 siyahlangana siyathola.
Mihla nemihla.
Yebo, daily bread. Lethi singabonana kanye asishiyani.
But
Mara
umuntu
inyanga.
wakho straight. Unemuntu wakhe.
Ngibonga lo mbreak solo ngiyambonga.
Till today.
Angisambonga sengishadile.
Utadile. Lahlekela mendo.
Ngamgcina kudzala ngibe emshadweni sengishade kabusha futhi nyalo.
Ngicela sibele move kancane. Asibele move kancane. Khona lapha ku matric, ne? Grade 12. Bakhona labafana nawo esikolweni. At
There
that
was
point.
this one mara beka ngathi nangifika mina he was beka phambili waphuma print wathi king hope yama king uhlale 1 year wakala e5
Yeah.
beka phambili yamdala kimi
Okay.
ngathi nangifika ngamthola khona
Esikolweni.
esikolweni bathi yena vele ukuthi queen yakhona
Yeah, and akafihli yena. Yena
kwafika queen yakhe
Queen princess. Kwafika princess.
jajika izinto wathi nishini seyingala
Singala ku. Manje esikolweni bakhona laba shelayo.
no
Yeah, nothing.
ma crush
Nethi nje ngosi laphana.
yo that was my dream god uliphupho lami
Anazamtshela club ukuthi phela
till today cabanga nento kutobona
Wayimosh. Siyafika.
shadile laki
Today.
umfati nabantu bakho senza kahle umfati beka
Hlakaniphile.
very good to math science very gifted
Yeah.
No break right.
mara bengafunda umgift wakho bengifuna
Ufuna
yena
nete.
Ngibani no break right.
Lucky crash.
crush my dream
Can how many crush did you have?
like Inkosi is the only crush I had
Oh,
Crush,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, Mr. Ngozi was Swatini.
Smart Mr. Ngozi.
So that guy no break ni save for isikhathi esingana ni
yes
yes
2016 17
azange found out umuntu wakhe
Actually,
because I think
Ah,
state
man, so it was from 2007.
yeah till 2015 or
yeah
16
yeah must out must
singahlangana siyathwala asi relationship ngeke sibona kayithunga eminyaka
Ah, man,
oh
relationship,
niyahlangana
brother.
and esikhathi
by the
nasengikani
time
Exactly.
ngifumana na Facebook
manje okay mama i girlfriend yakhe azange found out
nope ethola ngibani betova ngayo mina bengixoxelele ngayathi
so ngaphandle kwakhe nganyena nibonana ngozoma sebaqalile ku break so wena nyalo sokufuna uchubeke uye phambili
I had my pistop
ukushaya baningi
lelikazi la I can't mention names
I don't yeah but ilikazi edwa kwathi la ilikazi ngawabona ama Fruitman
ngabona bagade ama Gucci bag laba ale Jozi yo
banifica ebusuku
kuningi
So who was the very first boyfriend? Lokuthi umhleme akuclaim.
celebrate na umbali
This other impenten cabang was in school I was in school bengisengikhulile ekafunda bengwasha uniform ngwashele ngihambe so ngine
washero Benson iwashe khayini
3 years lekambe
oh le mafini
ngisala naye
never something
look
like
serious phela look la sama complex shopping
Man, mawuthi he was in school. Grade
10 11
Oh,
hayi bese ngicaka kakhulu lana
hayi man ngokushaya hayi man kanani yabo labo Benson
2016 loyo
uzohlala naye musole kahle hle umuntu
bebe ngihlala kimi
ekhaya bathini
angibathi
awungeni futhi
bo cousin
ake bahlali bangayadi enzama phela umuntu loyo kahle uyabaleka ekhaya kubo
akabalethe ohlala lapha yana besikole vuke seniya ayine uniform ngena tikafti nyanya ngiyamkerisa
Hayi. Oh, my brother, we're losing, my brother.
I told you this episode is going to be a dope
Ah,
episode.
my brother,
I told
no.
you.
My brother, remember what you said, Mr. Kamari?
Yes.
What said my brother, we should be gay now.
I told you you should be gay.
Ah, my brother, think
Yeah, but bahola ban.
Bahola,
Bahola ban bala likas was part.
Ayine.
Mina ngifuna bayi gay for la mantombazane la wangu. Sinethi ngifuna ukuthi bathi khumula phambi kwami na. No, I'm just kidding.
bakhumula
Yeah.
friends Siyageza sonke.
mina ngeke ngihlale ngavuki ngenyiwe.
Ngawusugesho kuthi.
Yeah, usingiki. No, yeah, nento lebengifuna uku-understand because wena bowukhula nabo sibani
I never had feelings for girls.
phela bathi bayakhula nabo sibani siyabathi bosibani bangalayikhanga nesibani magama.
God.
Bathi beke bageza phambi kwakho base ngizonga.
Sigeza sonke.
My brother.
Jake ndumbeni sepavini lethi kaphuthuma
Yeah,
sikhathi
sekubizile.
se9. Bafana bamile le.
My brother. Been up in 10.
Ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi Ben 10 in service isikhathi esingakanani.
I think it's 3 years.
3 years. Ahlala kuwe full time.
Yes, kwafika lo munye mfana bangalabo pushback reach. Iphupho lami.
Hayi lotho.
Asilotho liphupho.
Lisho njani lotho ithi iphupho la?
Dreams are already coming true, dog.
2017. Yeah. Benzeni ngithola ngisendlini nalo.
Ben 10 fanele nyalo limela ingqondo.
Mina benzeni ngizohambila ngabuyi namuhla ekhaya kubo.
Hawu benivumele.
Hawu 12 wami. Kana lo ngiyamthola ngisiwena.
Namntu wami. Ngiyakuswipa.
Type yami sa.
Ngitholana ku.
Ngitholana
Ngitholana ku.
April 19 bengikhaphe a friend of mine.
Sebusuku.
Yeah, ibusuku.
Uyam approach wena.
Wasikimi ngidwe endumbeni mina ngasomayenge. Wasikimi ngidwe endumbeni.
Ngobakhe bakusona.
Ngathi okay baby.
Okay, sengibheki.
Magama vele ngamanje manje igama after
Yeah.
7 months John.
Yeah. And then seniyakhuluma.
Wamuva ini ngahlala.
Hayi.
46 years.
Hayi.
Guys.
Ben 10 sosale pass.
So recently nyalo last year.
Noma. Man ngicela ukuthi Ben 10 sosale pass wanithola that
Wasala
day.
2017.
Wathanda that day vele. Indzaba somcoshana Ben 10.
Thule liphupho.
Yini liphupho lapha? Yini lengaka lapha?
Dark. And then mina angithandi bafana bala likazi
Ben 10 wala ilikazi.
Wasebhushi.
And ngala fanele unako.
Wonda konke ngiphamisa ngalo. Something lengenteke emhlabeni.
Did you hear? Did you hear that? Lona liya phakamisa.
Yo.
Dog manje azange accept Ben 10 because thina bo Ben 10 siya actor phela.
Ethele bani? Ngisafuna ngiyafostela.
Sikhayela lapha.
Fastero.
Waphula first step.
Ngasinto wafaka kuseni.
Sokufuna umnika phela into takhe phela.
Wakulanza uthi njona kwakhe. Wakulanza uthi ngayika wakulanza.
Sorry Ben 10, sorry dog. So manje sengihlukaniswa yini leliphupho lakho ngoba nini we having some
Problems.
Hayi man.
Ngikubali so lot.
Yeah, there's a lot. Like what so?
Wena ulekijima lenzaba ngithathela epusheni. Sasela epusheni.
Hlangana liphupho
For 6 years dog.
Phupho lendumbe.
Yo, uvanga.
Phupho litengalala umseno savakala ucashile ngathi angihlupheke ngiyarent move in lapha kimi.
Yeah.
Umseno phelile ungazibele ekhaya ebush. Mina take care of everything from food to clothes.
Wena uyaspana lapho.
Mina me hustler ngiyasebenza I do things.
Shout out to Hustler.
Nemarunyana baqashile abantu. Everything is going well.
Ngala
Everything is okay. Sahlala umuntu wami 6. And you were happy. I think yabothi ngitenzeke emkhathini kwendlela. Cheating this and
Who's
that.
cheating? You.
Both ways my brother.
Not me him then I followed the lead.
Oh, follow the lead.
Nasekwentwa ngimse wrong.
Yeah. But azange be violence akumure and stuff.
Yo sikhamene
Last time nine nengiyifunako.
Senguye
Kuthi nyalo sophela soyabukhohle sweetness.
Angikhohlwa.
Ngindodza. Nyalo sokuphela
Bafati vele bayalwa.
Yeah.
Defending yourself.
Bafati bayalwa. Ngamluma besilwa.
And ayisastopeki. Ayisalawuleki.
Solution le.
Ebabe, gede. Uhambe esona ngasebeni.
Siyasebenza.
Usuyadzele.
Ukahle. Ebengafuna ukuhlupheka phambili.
No.
Yeah.
Ngicela ndingide so I now I've moved on.
But nyala kathi soli ukuthi aphinza afune kubuye and stuff.
Because
But I have a question.
ngicela imali eligwayi ngifakele imali 20.
Oh. Mara soli
Vele
7.
bega into
And then
bega shangala na.
he didn't see ukuthi I'm a boy, that's the only problem.
No ma.
You're not you're gay.
Hey.
Because
6 years.
The first time.
Oh, the first
Oh.
time.
I had to ukuthi ngimtshele sisendlini kuyakhanya akaboni next. Sengikhiphile makeup.
Bonke lo
Ngikhiphile makeup.
nifika njani mara vele
Akaboni ngisimara
Ngendlela
nalo wanyalo beyangaboni ukuthi I'm a boy lo.
So maye sefuna adjust ukuthi mina nyalo phela sengiyisusile and sengidlile 1-2 nyana sekufuna ngiqhubeke.
Ngase ngathi lo.
Oh lo wanyana.
basaloza.
Sinyamtshangisona nje uthi ha mina anyway umfati ngithi mara khona umfati obhesa so uthi abakafati la bane mabhase ngithi wena Unodla kutsala. Manje yona njani ukuthi angisa reverse sengifikile ngathi okay baba benokufundisa.
Kusho yena.
For 6 years.
Six full.
Bathini bo.
Bese ngishadile vele ngishado ngemthetho 6 years.
Ukuyini okumixa ekhaya kube nestaff ukukhombisa abadala kumbe njani?
My brother,
Let's
I've always heard this thing. Ngihlele ngiva bathi okay, anembatho my brother. Ngihlele ngiva lo.
Usho mageya ngisho.
Yeah.
Mina me trans.
Yeah.
Trans.
Oh,
ne?
trans.
What's the difference?
So what's the yeah.
Ngiyangibona ngamabele.
Yes.
I'm no longer male, I'm female. I'm a transgender woman.
So la uka
Mageya
creating.
ngiyabagqoka njengeba madoda.
Okay, would you say my wanambatho?
They do have. Nethi to marriage mageya cheating kakhulu.
Man
okay.
Oh, magay kahle ma twin one. Ashangana.
Ahlukile.
Ahlukile akhona labo
Kune top, kune bottom, kune vest.
Hayi man no sibekele kahle sizokhona
I top uyindoda relationship uyalala. I bottom uyalalwa ake nje lokunye. I vest wenda konke uyalalwa. So mageya kayi 3. Sethini ma trans vele mina I've never been in every relationship I'm always umfati.
Oh, vele ushito vele usikusela
I'm always
insana bazimba amadlatana.
Onke thile emgodini lokufa. Yes.
What did you give those people kahle for 6 years? Yini kumele ahlale?
Indoda iyabonga papa. Namuhla mahenegen ukahle.
Yeah. These people they say bane hustle lebayendawo ngoba shito ever.
Indoda nayibhema umeka ukuthi ligwaya liphela endlini.
My brother.
Nayibhema ikhokhla awuyimix voyage. Umentheni ikhokhla.
I have a sister who's lesbian. Ne?
Yeah.
She's never broke.
Phela basho njalo.
I've never seen a broke gay person ever in my whole entire existence.
Uyaba broke wena?
Yewena. Ngithi uvula account izilo ngifingeke.
Oh, misbehavile intolo kahle. That's why say namphithweni.
uNkulunkulu kuphi na? So kwenzeke kanjani?
Athi
Hey, but
Iplani bakhona.
asibuyele emuva
Plan.
uyamshela esesha amanamba
Kanana Bushman akaboni ukuthi khona ubona ndomatani ugqoka ufake amaqiqi. Yabo.
Sikephi
Uthi mina phela ngabo 11 so sengisukela ntumbeni ngiyayitela ngihlanga halfway.
So endlini yami.
Sesendlini.
sikwendumbeni
Ukuba thinking attack ukuthi yayena kwasha amalanga amsende ngala msende in abaholisi uyayeka umsebenzi ngobile ekhaya ibhushi ngathi ngizibile ibhushi mina la ngiyabona. When you can move in with me sihlala kunsenda njani lapha. Kunsibili hamba njani.
and then sekufika la sokufuna umtshele khona ukuthi phela I am
It's the same day.
Namtjela same day.
uthi
Namtjela same day. Uthi wona phela mina uyabona si ini. Kuthi mara ngifile emathevu ngoba bengacabanga bakwafatha wele emathevu ngisinohla kufana. Manje ngithena nje ngathi akunandzaba mina ngisahambe la ngisaphuma.
Hamba the flow.
Hey umuhle ngathi wena.
Usoba lapho wena.
Soba mine.
Yena.
Uthadile.
zakazakile
Ngisho bentumbeni.
Eksene uma seyendekile gangang style uthini? Because sobuya kuma senses phela. Umshango
Ngiyobuya kuwe ngisabhizi.
I think
Ngibhizi nge-podcast I'll come back to you Jabu.
phela manivuke ekseni nganonisine nempatho umshange breakfast in bed. Senginebhabha ngiphe umshange breakfast in bed. Mhlambe itolo bothi mhlambe uvetshwala namhla mhlambe utothi
Bese ama chips I make sure ukuthi wadla ufune wathola. He loved the macaroni and then tinde fish in my beans. Ngakhangile. And I love it kishi ke.
oh kish is your thing
Come ekuphekeni into yami isekhishi.
Senza tu makhishi service nekhishi lesekhishi.
Enimfana mbeza mncishi.
She.
Bese nte mina somnyango uvule.
Hayi man. Na man.
Nyango uvulekile sosila endlini. Mnyango ngangena umuntu ngisuto ngokumakhani kakokodo ungena njani ngakodo umuntu yena. Ngaphela umas no phone bese ngizingena.
And bene kept. Mina sona ngibuthi uthi akaza kumixe ekhaya kubona phela mose umhlanyise so umuntu ugcina
ekhaya kubo. Siyafona abasesakhe bangibona se-Facebook siyaposta sebafona.
ababuthi manje lana
uyaposta naye
Posta status singalwa sikwatisane siyangiphosta ngithi ngikhiphe ngangiphosti ngipostela ngaso ka yabo sala ngiyangiphosta post mafona ba intwana sesiwakhethe ngamafoni namba ngasesakhe sebatshela ekhaya kubo abathombe sebaqala ba Facebook kana sabana base yabo
drama
I-relation imshado.
Mara khawe bebangana nkinga. By this time sinakhe bafuna afake beneficiary.
Yeah.
Sasa kasifaka lo mfana abantu ohlala naye lapho uhlene 6 years ngifake ezi beneficiary ngafaki imini.
Yeah.
Mina netimali tami faka sweetness.
Yeah.
Manje all this time before when akakaze abe ne
First
athole
time.
umuntu yeah. You were the
Hayi man. Wena umqamlile kahle kahle.
Ngikhiphe biyena.
I know. I know.
Kana push kwendekalani dog mina
I
itothi.
know my brother.
Ingoma liningi sebush mse ngomeni ebush.
Ubuya khona na ingoma ikhuluma.
Sungiyamangala uthi how come?
My brother.
Ngikhiphe biyena.
Imbatho my brother.
Imali lokuthi ayina kayithumi. Ayina uhang ayina kasayigqoka. Ngokubona kuphi lo.
Ayish.
Ungafa.
Dog.
Ngafa lo, ngafa.
Angithe.
Ne. Angafa la ngayakhona.
Awupheki into awuphephe endla sesidla ini. Angathi ngifuna ilembe endla ngifuna mbiyothenga.
Yeah. Awutendeli wena
Awutendela
lokufuna.
ukhiphi ihake angayikhanuki.
It's not the matter ukuthi yena uya provider. It's the matter ukuthi yena indoda.
Exactly. The hate of
Women.
I hope.
Note.
I hope.
No, note phela le.
My brother don't think Tuesday. They need lessons, those girls.
Those ones.
Yeah, they need lessons, my brother.
Those ones mina bayibukela le podcast bacala bathi hluke
Kahle
into
kahle,
yabo.
my
Yeah.
brother.
Thina indoda yabongwa. Baby nangithwa
Ngiyabonga baba.
Hayi indoda uyayibo. Badoda afukuza
Man
ngapha.
ngicela ukuthi khona lekile ya. Funa
Lo beka ngithwala susana ka Home Affairs.
Mpush.
Sengosayina nje sayini yana konke kulutho. Ngathi hayi lesi corruption.
Yeah.
Sefuna kudlula ikhaya.
Oh.
Yena phela kana lutho anga divorce ngothola ini kuyo ngoba kana
Yeah.
ngathi
Sokuqhamuka emkhonyo.
so kazi mkhonyo kusala Home Affairs emtholo ngathi ngathi ngizocabanga sengosayina ukuthi incwajana ekhaya wangi 10,000 unegogo
At
adle
least yeah.
ngathi akusebenzi
But no.
ngena nje ngiya divorce ngisaka khaya ngase ngibuyela ekhangela egarage
Cabanga.
ngisaka khangela kunele
Oh,
garage
ngabe kuloba singubu kanje le akeso. Ngoba se akeso phela.
hayi efiswayo into ngase ngabekwa ngento
Ngabe uthathe ama room, ngabe uthathe
yeah funa kuthengiswe phela sishare andeso mbaya out le mali buy out awunayo bathi 100,000 ufuna buy out
Uthethe kwasana.
awulele moshara basala bakuthathele namashanga namufi
Did you ever see yade ngifuna ukuba neligama. Ngile ngaye somewhere enzaweni la elokushini. Ngathola someone bampenetrate. Ilayini dog. Ilayini more than 3 guys. Bafana labancane. Angifuni ukubala amagama ebani. Bafana abancane bampenetrate ngathi awungeke. Dog just ngiyoshaya 69 nami ebunyameni. Ku busy.
Is this person
Domnyungela.
is this person a girl or
Is a gay. Ngathi
Tifisile
ne.
mos
Ngathi ne.
tifisile
Let mama lethi toko letabuya mababuya ngale.
kwaba
Oh.
wrong?
Kwasa khuthu ngathi yes.
ithi mina elikazi kwenje katika
Lelikazi-
lokuthi lenibahloniphako ni lenibatiko ukuthi besikomba bantu bethu
Yeah.
oh
Abobheda.
bantu babo
Basi yabare fana lapha
Sendele.
lapha etulu ne. Beside lapha etulu. Basi beyendeka kakhulu ngilapha sibeyivela khona kakhulu. Lapha etulu lapha. Tsala before iba inyalo. Tsala isa operator to basi ngabeyivela khona.
sajayiva
Basi bekunyiwa lapha dog. Lapha basi majida ngilabe majida agcina khokho sikambe mina base kubhizi. Siyaliwa dog.
ngiko in most cases abahambe inombitabo
Yeah.
Yeah, but she
Bafuna thini?
bafuna
So what makes that kusi bangafuni khamba nenomhlabo bafune nini?
angathi
my brother. You know what? Think about understand that I was about if out yakho itofuna simthukuwe as ichiri.
Yeah.
There's possibility ukuthi ungahamba.
It's a 2-in-1. Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah, it's a 2-in-1.
Yabona, there's a possibility ukuthi angahamba angaphandle. And angaphandle my brother. Now I have a feeling my brother ukuthi why angaphandle awubuya.
ufuna isim2 yatela ku
Yeah.
ufuna isim2
Uyatela.
Mhlamba kayadi vele.
Why?
ngeke ngifune into phathi ngakaze ngalisi
Yebo. We talk about it maybe 2-3 episodes sikhuluma ngayo lonto le ukuthi wena dog mina ngayivumisa imthu nemuntu angasi mina no. It's highly impossible.
Gona vele.
ngeke after singabisa 4 years sengiyoyifuna ngiminyaka besi5 ngife ku njalo babi ngife ku iminyaka yonke iminyaka ngisakule lento ngifunze ku
Uyithatha lento yenzayo.
And my brother abangenda lo simthu my brother.
Abasabuyele emuva, that's the
They're not
problem.
coming back, my brother. And my brother now understand why they're not coming back.
I'm telling you, I told you.
Oswitness bantwana babaphatha njengengilosi man.
Besides that, see everything we do, say excel vela abafati.
Yeah.
From good
work,
work, kupheka,
Yeah.
everything.
You must
Nangale kamereni we
Yeah.
do things abangatendi.
Yebo.
Sine sayimema indoda, imidoda yamenywe, imema indoda. Uyayifaka emhlanje upheke nayo. Una indoda nakekelwa.
What do you call this page, dog?
Bachaza bomumu indoda ayinikwa imali. Mina ke bani sibona 100 rand ubona njani umuthi ngikota ikhona ko 100 rand. Ngizothenga ikota.
You remember the other episode that we shoot nanoqolo?
Ngalomfana.
You remember ukuthi mina ngesimile nalomjita. Sinathubo thikini situ camera le1 speeds ngabo. Maspeeds ngabo ne? Senjinjana. Lo loyi1 ulingana nami lo loyi1 ulingana le out yabo. Shinjana sengisuka kulo mncane ngiya kulo mdzala. Yabo? Makusuka lo mkhulu, mangipenetrate athathe ligalo lo thupha sakhe asifake ngala kimi. Hey, yabo like what? That's when we understand ukuthi guy is a 2-in-1.
No. Ichi sport yamadoda ayida ayimove.
Bashinjalo, you remember?
Yeah, but indoda ichakatela.
But mina wafaka mina ngala. Ngila ngakutshela khona isidog bathi lapho sesi, hey ma after 9 la ine spread. Ayi dog. Dog, bathi
Vele kungaze kubanjwe indoda yakhe ibanjwe in the other community.
Yeah.
God.
Usenkingi.
God.
Isikhathi landlini uyafika angasakwenza lutho.
Baningi phela yathi maningi malona kanjalo dog ukuthi bathi lobabe akude lokwena nese bahlalisa ukuthi bale bantwana.
Bashadile.
Yeah, but lobabe
Incommunity of
vele
property.
iservice yakhe ule.
So saba ukuthi tulahlelwa tini.
Net vele letinye into vele ngokuthi ukhuluma but hey hectic.
Manje how have you, because obviously now like you said you're transgender, ne? So how was the coming out part?
I
Ekhaya.
didn't have to come out mina vele
Ne.
babona.
Babona bra.
You wear dresses. What how maroko?
Masutha maroko ngani? And so you connect maintain
comfortable ke nyala.
So you afford.
La nyasingathengela.
Yeah.
Papa unginike imali. I go to kaDopa.
Yeah. Ay niyaba bahle lapha niphuma nibahle lapha.
Hayi lapha
Sebolokwana.
ngathi.
Thola into ayintwana kaDopa.
So tell me, did you ever go in a threesome?
Ay.
Not once.
Ay.
Mara nafuna act man, yathi ngibona bathi ngikwenze le page leya. Bathi ngikwenze le page leya man, ngothi uya subscribe and stuff. Bacala ngishutha izithombe takho blah blah blah. Bathi ngikwenze.
Sasa traumatized.
Engaqhubeki leyo.
Izabe itofaka.
Seke lapho.
Not once, not twice, many times. So man ngicaka ukuthi those guys njengami nalinda because siya approacher and sikhuluma into lefana naleyo kumbe kwendekala ngifuna understand lapho.
Nema ngasibonakalani.
Hayi man,
And in most cases kusokubangani sisendumbeni. Then we go together. Ngeke lo munye abukele. Futhi mina ngijwana munye lokusaba lo mngane. Ngeke abukele ngifuna ngisukile.
Manje lo mngane okay. Mamine umuntu wami main chick yami. Umngane wami.
Awenje nemuntu wakho ngeke impossible.
Oh, yeah bengimangala le nto.
Lapho bengisethe abantu aba straight, bengisethe umuntu wami lengibukele naye. Bengisam umntwana ngisathengisa.
Asikhulume nge-first day naye iyaqala iyenteka le nto le iyaqala and nayo uyiboss le nto leyo.
And you it was so nice. God. Ngavanga ngikhathele. Ngathi bengithole i-truck ngithole
Man ngicaka ukuthi
i-truck emasemende mina ngithole le truck.
manje niyakhabo bani? Niyobhuka.
Dami. Mina
Lots of house.
Yeah.
bonke bango-3
Yeah.
Ngiyabanza
Lots of house.
mina ngikhipha ngo-3 kuseni ngifika ngisuke 6 inyawo la.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhipha bona ngo-7 ngithi
Yeah.
manje sengiphuma kulaya nyanga ngitseniwe.
Manje ababi nemehlweni masebafuna baphuma phela mawuphuma lapha dog. Uma uphuma lapha ekseni maybe ngo7 ngo6. Ngikubone mina. Very it's obvious.
Mahloni ani.
Okusala
Hey,
uinjury.
I'm talking about those guys because ba straight
Ngibede.
boy.
Lokusala
Bada.
ubayinjury.
Dog, there's another guy ne. Ngithola ku Nyamate ngifuna ukubala igama lakhe. Wasaxoxa about ukuthi hi blah 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 xoxa. Ekuse, wangiselela umyemlaka la. Ngamtshela ngathi ngiyom-expose umlaka la wathi uyongishaya. Wathi uyongishaya hlala nami. Uyongishaya
And basendela guys umlaka la.
bengifuna screenshot lama lo ngifake ku social media. Wathi ngiyokushaya. And base kuyashayana futhi.
And basendela.
Ngama lapha ngathi
Bawusende.
Kuyofana basendela.
laba straight.
Hi beautiful ngithi hi. Nithi na uthi hi akasakhulumi.
Uzothumelela
Imali
wena.
esithombe yo.
Ngiyakhomba
Ningakhombe i-block list yami e-Facebook.
Hayi man.
Ngalelikazi.
Hayi man.
Ngathemba 1 point something thousand yebandi ngibablockile. Yo bafana bahlupha. Bafana bahlupha. Nethi ungathi vili uyak-invite nethi ukuthi you accept. Akasazi ukuthi hi beautiful. I love you. I've been browsing through your pictures. You are I want now ukuthi hayi bo athi ngci. Let's kwabita na ukuthi
lapha yakhathi umuntu. But imagine this if it was in your mouth.
Imagine this in your mouth.
Itokhama. Ngiyavana moya.
Manje ukile wathola le size le uthi this one is another one.
Angigani malela amancane vele. Angengilunga. Angifuna ukuphatha tinso mina ngiphatha ama kidney. Ngifuna umfana akahamba ngilale. Ngithi saka la ngalonke ngilale ngathi ebusuku bengigijima.
So tell me, nendo besikhuluma namhlanje lamantombazane ukuthi it's all about the size or it's all about communication?
Everything. Size
matters.
Ne? It does, ne?
Ngabuta my brother, how come manthenga ideal don't think incane?
So indani?
You also have it.
I don't.
Okay, so indani.
Boy indani.
A dog. You move umvile that woman athi yena le object itholele dingo yayijuba.
Yeah.
Baze kwasho kwaGhost bathi oh tosibone yasileka kakhe incane that's why yayijubile. Ngathi mina no mina libe happy ukuthi ngithola umuntu ayisebenzisa. Dani ukuthi umthole anemuntu.
Mari insult deal endotseni.
Endotseni, yeah it is.
Yeah, it is an insult but insult
uyekele nawo.
But insult
usunenkinga manje.
But insult ekhulu. Ngile yathi insult ekhulu ngiphi? Nginothi ana Ben 10 wina ne guy la phakathi endlini. Yabona ukuthi that's a big insult. Leyo vele yeah leyo it's and mhlawumbe na Ben 10 asangaphinza mhlawumbe ubhema ama drugs angesathi. Mhlawumbe ubhema ama drugs nanya.
Angishotshana after lokho.
No. Ngithe lelikhulu lelakhe.
Hey!
Lelibiye engomeni.
Oh! Lathi umsebenzi.
Lento nomalumile lithi. Nomalumile umfana yadlala.
Uthi bamphakamisa ngalo mfeni.
Yini mina ngibe ephupheni.
Sweet. Namhla utsebo ya ku doctor. Boyena ni doctor.
I'm taking hormonal treatment angisho ngiya transgender.
Oh, okay.
So or I'm referred me to eKanyamazane clinic. So
Okay.
lama hormones they don't have the other type and type le1.
Okay.
So doctor befuna ngodele wona. So ngodele must go and get them out.
So uya after skhathi singanani?
testosterone by block.
Yeah, by blocking asana.
Maspiratin we call them blockers. Blocker le mina lokho neke ebafanele ki maxending. Nilokho neke ndotseni angisakwazi kuyini.
So akusavuka.
Lokho neke ndotseni.
Uthi from kuqala mos abasadlala amadlatana.
Angikaze ngabamfana I never been a boy.
Akaze vuka.
Wangikwazi kwenteka ngiva ngani. Vuka ini.
Even noma ubona mfana vuka.
Ngibona mfana ngiba excited.
Bara vuka.
Yo,
ngani ushithi sena
ngivuka ngibe manje ngitsinde. Ngive kohlama namsilela nomsisela kohlama ngizojova.
So do you go ukuthi by trainer? They say bathi ban train and stuff something like that.
Angikaze angikwazi.
Ngani you have ukuthi ejele bathi ukuthi bebam penetrate le out but trainer
I have never had complications.
Isn't it?
Asimuntu ogulayo angisimuntu lenkinga.
Tell me, bro. So since you the woman, angisho.
Exactly.
As a woman, do you come
It depends.
on the guy? But you have experienced.
Makamas.
Mbushi.
How is it? Hey, I wanna push men
So ngikubona njani usona nyalo so yeah.
I tell you can feel the sounds.
Siyantshintsha nenothorola
Ingubo icomfort yabuya comfort ibangaka so ngathi into ethi legogodana ngiqameze waphasi
yantshintsha le tone.
Nyodo
Guys, which one is this one?
Ah, God.
My brother.
My nigga, I told you.
South African
Yeah, last year, Shana.
Hey.
Did you see my wife?
But not Africa I can do that. Not Africa I can do that.
That's what I said.
It takes a man to do that.
That's what I said.
It takes a man to do that.
Hala ben bala clinic na kutota mavosi.
They say my brother would say Sim2 is more effective.
I don't know, dog. I never experienced
Very
it.
effective.
Simone, you can stroke solo. Sim2 my brother but fast.
Ngantosi mhlambe nginothi kuthayithinyane than ngale sim2 I don't know.
Shisa ngale man.
Shisa ngathi mnandi ngithi mnandi njani mnandi.
Stop that trap fast.
Okay man like first day kasi ngicela kuyenda break lo what's the lapha because kufuna akhulu phela say baby yabo nomnanzi blind dog angisakhumbuli okay first guy akutshela into leyo what's in mara ukuthi baby umnanzi
ngathini lokho mnanzi ngithi mina ngikwada ashangitiva mnyanzi angitiva ngivanga
and what makes us guys like
into lengayathi
uzokhuluma manje
us guys to even manomathana say baby umnanzi what's that
mina I always tell people ukuthi kude mehluko umgodi kuhluka kusisenda njani
mina
mehluko
khona
yabo mina bengisine ngithi mina
nguphi mehluko
mehluko khona
mina bengithi it's all about connection mina ngibeka kanjalo
like connection
connection I understand no my brother connection I understand my brother connection is even when lo muntu amfila and also amfili not only on a sexual level yabona
so beyond
but so yeah so happy
yeah so ngiblingi
my brother mara khona lo muntu ukuthi uzabu phela lona kahle kahle hayi ukuthi nje yabona but wangena kulomgodi uyava ukuthi no la mama selala kulo muntu emgodini hayi doing things
amaseli
they doing things
into ukuthi mfana
ukhulumela twe kithi mbafana twe intombazane
yeah to us
mina lokho mina ngisingami ngisi mina ngisuke ngimfila ngimthanza lo muntu lo you understand phela ungomfila
mina mthanza
konke kwenda kuyakuvuma
lokuthi bathi imgodi mkhulu
awukuva ya
lo mgodi ovuka ngilabanye labatidlelayo wena uva ukuthi umuntu wami
ya
stofu 66 lapho umuntu ukuthi
do you ever express that dog ukuthi uve ukuthi la ukuthi ngathi ngishelela emadzakeni
yeah I have nganathi ngathi I had to fake it
yo
adla phansi ngathi hey kanjalo
ngangiganeli kazi yo
sendeni kantsina leli kazi ngoba mase guquka lilanga guquka yonke into
uka na
complex ehlangana complex ngathi awungiboni
iyo phela ngathi besihlangana ebusuku ahlangana ebusuku complex
thani yeyitha udlule ngabinzi so ngibona intumbele ngemgcibelo hayetha mama ngithi usengimama complex
so manje I see une tongue uya
ngenda konke ngicela ikinweleni ngojika ogcika kubhonso
basi laba bathanza into bathanza le lo baqhedlela kule bathi bakhise ngale
mfana gogojana
ya basi
abengangale phesa bengabi
ya basi bamkhise ngale na dog la ngakhiswa khona basi bakhisa
abengangale phesa lo mfana nawo musi basikhisa ngale nabo musi
hayi man ngizokushaya hayi man ngizokushaya
that's our vagina funa bamafe so what man bethe do
glory hole my brother
yes bafana they must go there
manga man
fakeliwe
hayi man
ngivele nginibilike
hayi man umethe
konke la
umethe
abazama mnandi abafana
but boys are delicious dog
bafula ngabo
yo
uNkulunkulu bafika kwende njani
eish dog
uNkulunkulu balamhlabeni
mnandi abafana boys are delicious
boys are delicious mfana ne
I live with them manje basima dogs mina ngiyathi imfalo yedog
ay man ngicela ukuthi ukile wafika ebunanzini kwabana 2-3 emajida akho lonokuserviceana nawo alwa those you play you cut very well yeah no
I was in control phamile kule abantu bengijwa nabo
yeah
sala kwama inyanya
oh you control because of money
not of money time management
oh how in the man
ngikula nebantu abayi3 ngelanga linye is impossible ngilala nje ngiyazuphisa
you as
ngotina njani
but women do that
women do rebala nefutha 5 ngelanga linye mara if ucaba kahle kwente kandla kuwe wena umuntu
that's why my brother in long term hayi
exactly
but dog
think about your husband
listen up here dog you need to experience some of the things before you starting growing up man because sometimes my man phela ngiyathini my man
that's why this time uthola umuntu washothe emhlaba kodwa umuntu umfunayo kodwa bekasola
experience phela experience emsane kuvitsika fitsika
phela dog you need to remember one thing ukuthi bakushayile ushayekile mhlawumbe lapho uthi urelaye khona lo muntu lo uyakujikela so yena njani now man usten yena man usten sitwe useyena azacheat ngilothi uchithile naye
yeah
mina I prefer ukuthi ngibe relationship sulane ngiphume ngene kulo ngabi na 5 boyfriends at the same time
but before kulo 6 years relationship lo bonayo before umshiya
ngaphi stop nawo before yena you all at the same time
that's what is
you can't have 10 boyfriends ngiphathe si1 phela bonke bafuna wena bafuna bonke bayi10
you can have everything but not everything's for you
yeah that's true
you understand Ungakuthiwa hayi ukuthi konke kutoba kwakho.
It's
Angeke,
impossible.
Eish. Nasara siyivala. Eish guys.
Le
this
my
one-
brother, tofu episode 2 my brother.
Ne. No, you lying,
I'll be
dog.
available in September.
Sana, hayi nankinga nawe.
September.
Wait.
Oh no.
We'll wait, my
Good,
brother.
good things.
Ngendaba sengishadile
Good things,
ngoSeptember,
dog.
who knows?
My brother.
Hayi man.
Ngendaba sengi-engaged
Hayi man.
ngoSeptember, who
Batokuloya,
knows?
batokuloya.
Maybe indaba sengilotsholiwe
No, ngende
ngoSeptember.
episode nale inomatane bekufuna bayilobole on January ne.
Ba-cancel.
Bayishaya, bayivala ngemuthi. Till today I was bayilobole. I'm telling you.
Vele muthi sireal yaphila.
Yeah, so some of the things before tendeka ungakhulumi ngathi. You understand like
Yeah,
yeah,
Ngithi
yeah.
mina I might angisho ukuthi ngiyalotshwa.
Eh no, vele ungakhulumi ngakho vele like I'm having
Ngiyafika ngithi
ngamane uthi nginemuntu engibonana naye full time, you understand?
Current. The current one.
iphupho lami my
Phupho
dream.
lami.
Phela lo ude na 8 months even a year.
My dream.
Now, how long?
3-4 months.
I'm telling you.
still
I told you.
Local or not local?
Look at
Ngani local.
I see local.
Ngala.
international.
Ushaya, what's a push now?
Nope.
No, shy push.
Naye marubuye ngomeni.
Obvious. Msuthu.
Ah!
Dog,
Mana wamshweshwe.
dog, I need
Fana lo jimako sigwaqaqaqa ungaka.
dog. Ngifuna
Iphupho.
yabona lena ngifuna organizelwa nguwe dog. There's another friend of them, ne? Hey,
Friend of who?
sweetness.
Ah.
Ukhiphe make. Ukhiphe indodza emshadweni. Washada yena.
Keep him
Then daughter was never a man from the start.
You understand? Lo esemfunda dog. Ugqoke amfaka ingubo. Behamba nengubo nomgqoceni
Although
dog.
for 6 months.
For 6 months.
Aloba
Dog.
bakhipha basi.
Dog. Wasuka lo baba wasuka endlini yakhe uhlala na.
Wadivorce.
Adivorce official.
My brother, that's why I say my brother. Wangena my brother.
Bathi
Lo baba vele
bathi
was
basi
never
basi
involved.
yeah.
Never in.
So wagcina kukhipela
He was
ngaphandle.
emshadweni mara bekabhizi ngaphandle. Maki ayilekazi wahle onke.
Ay.
Yo ngaphandle kwami jo.
Okay, your last words to someone like you and so nakufika and ifamily yakhe ingavumi. What do you say to that person? Word of wisdom.
Yeah, but there's a lot of those people.
Be true to yourself, be yourself. And ungasabi bantu, come
Yeah.
out.
Like
Bana bakureject, you can live your life without ngebantu musa.
man, but family, we talk about
We
family.
live without family, abantu abaphila bangana family.
Yeah, guys, you hear it?
But yeah, at the end of
And
the
the
day,
family
yeah.
utakhela ngendlela, you can have family mara engangincethanga lutho, then you have family ngaphandle
Yeah,
le-assist
yeah, yeah,
le uplifta, yabo?
Ikuthande, ikwelele ufuna
Kunjwale yakho le ngadi.
Umndeni uzowuthola ngaphandle.
Exactly.
I know sayivala. Sayivala. Dog, no. Dog, this one it's ngama cocktail, dog.
Ah, my brother, this one is a ball,
I know
my brother.
sayivala. No, okay, ngicela usipromise kunalo mngani wakho lo yana.
Ngomkhulumisa ngithi unema
Awu nema issues wakhe.
problems
Yeah,
amakhulu.
okay.
Asimele
No,
ku-September
no,
njengamso.
sayivala.
Maybe indaba ngishadile so ngiyatsho maybe September.
September, skakaqaka.
Maybe.
Saselisuthu.
Bye.